a lot of questions actually. So hit the question on the screen. Let us see some of the questions which had appeared in CAT so as to get a feel of what exactly and how much more we need to study. Giving you, you know, 2 minutes. Your time starts now. Abhishek, please read the question for me.
The point of interaction of three lines 2x plus 3y minus 5 equals to 0, 5x minus 7y plus 2 equals to 0, 9x minus 5 minus 4 equals to 0.
All right.
Option A, form of a triangle. Option B, are on lines perpendicular to each other. Option C, are on lines parallel to each other. Option D, are coincident.
Or coincident. Okay, that's good. Go ahead. It's 1996. CAT 1996 का question है. Finish करो. I'm just copying the question. You guys keep doing it. Don't tell the answer. Write the answer in the chat box. Disha, are you there in the class? Anyone joining new, mark your attendance. As soon as you join the session, mark your attendance. Right here, present sir, yes sir, so that I know I should know who all are there in the class. Okay, your time is up. I had given 2 minutes. So any update? Any answer? Yes, Ankit? Disha? No. Question is not that difficult. I don't know why we didn't get the answer. The point of intersection of the three lines. This. I think if I just see no, मुझे लगता है x is equals to y equal to 1 satisfies all three, right? Hit and try है जी. देखो जरा. That means the three lines एक point से pass कर रहा है 1, 1. So the three lines will be coincident. Sir, you guessed it. What if I don't guess it? No issues. They will form a triangle if you solve these three equations. I mean this and this, you should get one unique point. If you solve this and this, you should get another unique point. If you solve this and this, you should get another unique point. Then in that case they will form a triangle, right? Are on lines parallel to each other. If the lines are parallel, that means their slopes will be equal. The slope of this line is minus 2 by 3. The slope of this line is 5 by 7. Definitely they are not equal. ये तो नहीं होगा. Are on lines perpendicular to each other. Of course I can see m1 किसी का भी निकाल लो, m2 -1 नहीं आ रहा है. So ये भी तो नहीं होगा. So only it could be form a triangle or coincident. But the equations are so beautiful that I could guess. So should you. Right? Understood. Answer is coincident, right? Right, got it.
Sir, एक और बताओ.
Yes, Abhishek, you didn't get it?
No, sir.
Okay, the three lines are given. Now you have to find whether these lines form triangle or they are coincident or they are parallel to each other or the lines are perpendicular to each other. So what is the condition for the two lines to be parallel? The slopes should be equal. So in this case, तीन slope होगा m1, m2, m3. All the three slopes should be equal. Slope निकालते कैसे थे? Minus a by b, coefficient of x इस equation का. Coefficient of x Okay, that's what Aryama I'm repeating. I'm checking that this will not be true because the slopes of the three lines are not equal. इसका slope होगा -2/3, इसका slope होगा 5/7. Of course, there is no point in finding this, but again this will be 9/5. Slopes are not equal, so answer cannot be this. Perpendicular होने के लिए product of the slope should be equal to -1. So m1 into m2. So this multiplied by this is not -1, or this multiplied by this not -1. This cannot be the answer. So either it could be triangle or coincident. Then what I do, I solve these two equations. If I solve these two equations, I will get x equal to y equal to 1. Similarly, if you solve these two equations, again you will get the same result. That means the three lines are coincident. Coincident means passing through the same point, or this is also called concurrent. Therefore, answer would be coincident. Got it? Right, got it. Sarabjit, is that okay? Yes. अंकित, नहीं समझ में आया?
यस ना, समझ में आ गया सर, समझ में आ गया.
अरे तो लिखो भाई, मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ. चैट बॉक्स में आंसर आएगा तभी तो आगे बढ़ूंगा.
ओके.
हाँ लिखो. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अंकित क्वेश्चन पढ़ो. Others started, giving you 2 minutes.
ABCD is a rhombus with diagonals AC and BD intersecting at the origin of the XY on the XY plane. If the equation of the line AD is x plus y equal to 1, the equation of the line BC is.
Very good. Go ahead. Your time has started. 2 minutes for you.
सर rhombus का diagonal perpendicular bisector होता है क्या?
परपेंडिकुलर होता है. यस, परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर होता है.
तो मेरे को स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है सर.
Is it? Anyone else?
दिख रहा है.
Okay, some network issue होगा अंकित. उसको चेक करो, रिपीट करो. Okay, your time is up. Any answer? No? Let us see. ABCD is a rhombus with diagonals AC and BD intersecting at the origin. So actually the two diagonals, they are intersecting at the origin. So I have made the two diagonals first. This is origin 0, 0. Okay, Ankit is getting C. If the equation of the line AD is x plus y is equals to 1. Okay, can somebody tell me how would I draw the graph of x plus y equal to 1? I think इसको आप लिख सकते हो x by 1 plus y by 1 is equals to 1. So x axis पे 1 पे कट करेगा and y axis पे भी 1 पे कट करेगा. This would be the line. So I think my one line would be 1 here and 1 here. ये मेरा होगा. ये क्या है? A और D है. हमेशा साइक्लिक ऑर्डर में ही रहता है. A D. तो I think B इधर होगा. A B C D, right? ये वाला B हो जाएगा और ये वाला C. ज्वाइन कर लो. ध्यान से समझो जी, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. इसका इक्वेशन है x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल्स टू 1. दे आर आस्किंग द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन BC. BC कहाँ पे टच कर रहा है? -1 पे, और ये वाला -1 पे. तो व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस लाइन? एक्स वाई इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म का यूज करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, एक्स के नीचे एक्स का इंटरसेप्ट प्लस वाई के नीचे वाई का इंटरसेप्ट -1, that's equal to 1 using x y intercept form. So what do I get? X plus y equal to -1. कौन सा ऑप्शन? Right, got it. फटाफट. Or you want me to repeat? Take a repeat. Ankit, check करो. What was your mistake?
डायगोनल पकड़ लिया था सर, BC और BD का निकाल दिया था जहाँ BC का निकालना था।
करेक्ट, उसको हमेशा ध्यान रखो दो बातें, कभी भी नोमेनक्लेचर रहता है वो साइक्लिक ऑर्डर में ही रहेगा, तो ए डी तो फिर सी ही आएगा, आई मीन इट्स हियर इट इज ए बी सी डी ऐसा लिखा हुआ है, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज लिखा हुआ है। वेरी गुड आर्यमा, गॉट इट। अभिषेक आंसर नहीं आया अभी तक, गॉट इट रिपीट कुछ नहीं लिखे हो। Repeat, sir. Disha, ABCD is a rhombus. They are also giving the equation of line AD is x plus y equal to 1. So what is, I have drawn the graph of x plus y equal to 1. It is this line, this line. This is AD. Now the AC and BD are diagonals. See, AC and BD are diagonals. They are asking the equation of this one. I know the equation of this is x plus y equal to 1. How do I, by x y intercept form मैंने बताया था ना, x divided by x intercept plus y divided by y intercept is equals to 1. तो ये वाला जो लाइन है इसका x इंटरसेप्ट -1 है तो नीचे लिख दिया -1, ये लाइन का y इंटरसेप्ट इज -1, अगेन नीचे लिख दिया -1, दैट्स इक्वल टू 1. सो -1 उधर चला जाएगा तो x plus y equal to -1. Can somebody tell me the equation? Sarabjit, can you tell me the equation of AB? X divided by
x divided by 1
-1.
yes sorry
Yes.
minus
Yeah.
y by 1 equals to
Plus y divided by plus 1 is equals to 1. I hope you understand. Anyway, this was not asked. They were asking this one. Okay, very good. Chal. This is another question. Sarabjit, please read it. Others started, giving you 2 minutes for this.
consider a triangle drawn on xy plane with three vertices at 41, 0, 0, 41 and 0, 0, each vertex being represented by its xy coordinates. The number of points with integer coordinates inside the triangle, excluding all the points on the boundary, is.
Very good. Okay, thank you. Go ahead. 2005 का क्वेश्चन है,